All over the world, we're witnessing a tremendous karmic theater presentation that I call the end of everything that never worked right in the first place. Old ideas are crumbling. Old stories are falling apart. Old ways of being are being revealed as non-sustainable. That doesn't mean that everything is ending, but it means that something is ending, and it's a whole way to be. It seems like about half the people in the world are poised with excitement on the verge of something positive being born in place of something awful that's dying, the war machine, the economy of nations based on a state of perma-war. That has to go. And it seems like the other half of the world population are freaking out because they're still attached to things staying the same. This is a very volatile situation where hope and fear keep swelling in equal amounts and setting the stage for clashing and the chaos that informs new growth. Each of us is being asked to become a midwife, assisting the birth of the new, and a hospice worker, assisting the death of the old.